What's going on? My name is Justin from 2 East 8th, and today we're talking about the 7 basic types of camera shots. So what is a camera shot? A camera shot refers to what is inside the frame when you're looking through the camera. Basically, it's another way of talking about what the camera sees. Now, a director is going to use camera shots to communicate to the cast and crew about what images they're trying to capture. Understanding the basic types of camera shots will help you communicate your ideas effectively and clearly as you start or continue your journey into video production. To help illustrate these shots, we're going to be using footage from projects that we produced. If you want to check out more of our work, please click on the link in the description of this video. All right, let's get started with the widest shot and move in from there. The extreme long or extreme wide shot focuses on the environment. While your subject may be included, the true point of this shot is to make sure that your audience is familiar with their surroundings. This is often used as an establishing shot, which is a term we'll go over in a future video. It's also worth mentioning that long and wide are interchangeable terms, so it's really a matter of personal preference. Moving in a step, we get to the regular long or wide shot, and the focus shifts from the environment to the subject in relation to their environment. The whole subject should be visible, but not filling up the frame. If you don't want to use your extreme wide shot to establish your location at the beginning of a scene, you can substitute your regular wide shot instead. With the full shot, your subject is now your star, the main focus in the frame. This means head to toe if your subject is a person, with the majority of the frame taken up by the subject. The shot is still far enough away where you won't be able to relay any important emotional information from your subject's face, but it's a great shot to introduce your character and their physicality. This is your bread and butter shot. The medium shot is the most basic and the most used shot for a reason. Your subject is going to be seen from the waist up, and it's the midway point from your widest to your closest shot. It's a nice neutral territory. It's close enough to start seeing some emotion on their face, but far enough away so you can still get a sense of what's going on around your subject. The medium close-up brings things in just a bit more, framing your subject from the chest up. Here's where the emotions really start to light up the screen. You start to develop a sense of intimacy, of closeness with the subject. In this shot, the surroundings are falling away and becoming very unimportant. This is why the medium and medium close-ups are the gold standard when it comes to shooting a dialogue scene between two people. Using the close-up shot, we're completely focused on the subject and they're taking up just about the whole frame. If you want to relay emotion, this is the shot to do it with. We've talked a lot about human subjects, but if your subject is a product, this shot can be used to ensure that the viewer's attention is directed exactly where you want it to be. The extreme close-up is generally as close as you're going to get. The subject fills the frame and every detail is on display. This shot is useful when you want to relay intense emotion or if you're calling attention to a very specific detail of an object or a scene. There are an incredible amount of variations on these shots, but these are the basic 7 that you've seen in every movie, TV show, or YouTube video that you've ever watched. Now in future videos, we're going to be talking about some of these variations. We're going to be talking about camera angles, camera movements, and so much more. So please keep checking 2east8th.com and all of our 2 East 8th social media for updates. And until next time, thanks for watching. Now go start creating.